All right. Today, we're going to practice the universal reformer. You know something about that, yeah? You know a lot. Okay. The name of the workshop is Right on the Point. See? Why this name? Because sometimes we forget what is the purpose of some exercise. Sometimes we lie down and move and forget why I am doing that. Why I lie down for the footwork first and the 100 and this is going to be the way today to learn, to feel again. See? And like yesterday, I need you here, no? Working. See? We're going to do something simple. See? I like today to teach you or work in the intermediate reformer. See? For me, the intermediate reformer is like the soul of the method. Why? First of all, it's safe. Sometimes I have only 30 minutes in the day to work out, and you can do one intermediate reformer and you feel amazing. See? Sometimes, of course, we love to do advances. If we have time after the intermediate, we can keep going with that. No problem. But we're going to start with intermediate and thinking about the exercise, feeling the exercise. Yeah? And I like to talk with you about that. You have papers there. Maybe if you do something here, if you move your body, during the movement, maybe your mind do one click, and you back to your paper, you can write down this word. And at the end of the class, we can talk about that. So many times in my workout, I find the answers. See? The workout gives me the answers for my body, for the feeling. And I use these answers to teach my clients. I work out not only for me, of course, to take care of me, to love myself, but also to learn. Because when you feel, you can share this feeling with others. See? And this is magical because every single body is so different.